The channel. This video we are looking at how to do P2P on Remitano. So this is Remitano. This is how to log in. Basically, this is the app here. If you don't have it, I'll drop in a link below in the comment section. Click and register and get the app. Remitano is an app. It's a crypto exchange app that you can use to do P2P. Can trade cryptocurrency with it, and it's user friendly. I've been using it for a while now. So I'll drop in the link at the comment section and the description below. So try and get it and register. If you found this video nice one, educative, or something you like, you can please like it and comment and share. Let's move to the top. So I'm waiting for the app to open. This is it. Alright, so basically this is how the app is. Once you open the app, after you have registered and downloaded it, you click on login/register. Now you click on with email. So I'm putting the email I'm using to register for it. So once you put your email, you now tap on it. An inbox will be sent to your email. So basically you go to your email inbox to follow the link that is sent to the inbox. You open it and click on login to Remitano. And basically this is it. I have done a video on how to swap. This is a user interface. When you come to Remitano, this is home, P2P, swap, wallet, discover. In this video, I'm focusing on how to set P2P on Remitano. So I'll be doing more videos on Remitano on other aspects of usage. So you can subscribe and share and get more of videos I'll be doing on Remitano and other crypto exchanges and crypto information. Alright, so you tap on P2P. That's how to buy and sell. Actually, P2P simply means peer-to-peer transaction. You can buy or sell peer-to-peer. So this is it here. It's loading. Let's see. So basically, once you tap on P2P, this is what you bring up here. So in the P2P, it's either you are buying or selling. So these are the major ones: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Renec, USDT, and USDC. These are the coin listed for P2P. And this is it. So this is what you show you. This is Theta USDT. The price at this moment is 1,150. This is the buying price, and this is the selling price. You know, it simply means if you want to buy, you click on buy. If you want to sell, you click on sell. Now, this is where you tap to change a coin. You tap on this change coin, assuming you want to sell Bitcoin, not USDT. So this is Bitcoin. If you want to sell Ethereum, you tap on Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash, your Litecoin. You can also sell Ripple, Binance Coin. So these are the coins basically can trade on P2P on buying on Remitano. So basically, assuming we want to sell Bitcoin, now select Bitcoin. So it has been changed to Bitcoin, and this is the current price to buy or sell the Bitcoin. Now these are the adverts for people that want to buy and sell. This on green is adverts for buy. They want to buy from you. These are adverts for sell. People that want to sell. So if you want to sell, you can come and create advert for selling. This is basically we are looking at if we want to buy now. As we want to buy from this person. So, and this first person that is selling here, instant pay. If you are paying with Remitano Naira, there is a digital Naira in Remitano, and it takes only 0 seconds for the completion of this trade, meaning that you have to fund the account with digital Naira for you to buy from this person, and it takes 0 seconds. The same thing with this person. but when you come down, all these ones that want to sell, they want to sell using the naira in the Remitano. So you need to fund the account. It means it cannot do bank transfer for these ones, for all these persons that would want to sell. So let's check out USDT so that you see the difference. This is USDT. We'll select USDT here. Okay. So at USDT, these ones up want to sell using the digital naira. So that is basically how you want to either buy or sell. So if you click on buy, let me click on buy. Let's move on. So click on buy. How much amount do you want to buy? The amount you want to buy, if you are in Nigeria, you can put naira. If another country, you use your country currency to show here. This is showing NNG because it's in Nigeria. If you're in Ghana, it will show Ghana fiat currency. But if you want to use USDT, which is universal, general, you can select USDT. You want to buy, let's say you want to buy 100 USDT. So once you put the amount, it will show up the best price. That's the best price is 1,142.52 kobo. So these are the persons that can buy from. Now this is the cheapest seller here. Is selling for this price, then followed by this. If you notice, this price is cheaper than this, so it selects automatically by from the cheapest to the highest. So this is it. So if you want to buy, you choose from any of them. Assuming you want to buy from this person, you tap on his own and then click on buy 100 USDT. Once you click on buy 100 USDT, let's go there. So basically, you know why this is not selected, because this account cannot be funded with the digital naira. So it means the first thing you need to do is to fund the account with the digital naira, because Remitano have done update before. Normally, if you click buy with USDT, it will take you to where you will now buy using account number. But the update now is that you need to buy with the digital USDT. So you can see now they are asking me to buy naira here. So you need to buy naira first, buy that particular naira. So you click on that USDT I want to buy. Maybe I want to buy naira of 150,000. Okay, I'm making it 150,000. So before I can buy the USDT, I have to first of all buy naira. So can you see? So that is a step. If you want to buy any coin, you have to first of all buy the present currency of the country that is there in your country. So I have to now come and click buy. So once I click transfer to buy USDT, it will now take me to the payment page where I can buy. Now I have to now deposit this amount. Once I deposit this amount, that is when automatically I can be able to buy the USDT. So that's how to buy, guys. So you have to first of all credit the account. So let's go here and change to naira. Want to buy naira. So that's how to buy basically. So then if you want to sell too, let's see, turn back. I will do more video on this, so I don't want the video to be long. That's why I want us to go to the other aspect of selling. So so basically, before you're able to buy any crypto in Remitano now, you need to fund your account with the fiat currency. Then you cannot use it to do P2P. Can you see? This is the Naira. So deposit Naira. Because before, you don't need to buy with this Naira, you do bank transfer. But this is the update for those of us that are not updated. So this is why I'm doing this video. So if you see what in this video, kindly like it so that it can reach more subscribers and more viewers to get the update on Remitano. So you need to first deposit your NGNR if you're in Nigeria. So this is the previous purchases. Can see on this day I make this transaction. I have to buy this particular amount of Naira in order to buy the coin I bought that time. So you need to first of all deposit. So I want to deposit this amount of money. Then this is a fee. Click next. So I have to now choose a bank. If I want to choose any bank, other Money Point, if I want to choose Money Point, I click on Money Point. So now this is the vendor that I'm buying this Naira from. So I need to get the details and transfer. So once I transfer the money, you can see it's counting. Once I transfer the money, it will land, it will be credited in my account. So if you transfer the money within this time that is processing, the transaction will be cancelled automatically. So that is basically how to buy and now trade in Remitano. So now, we have looked at buying. How do you buy? Then how do you sell? This video, as I said, we are going to look at P2P. That is how to buy. We just covered it. Next step is how to sell. Click on this sell button. Once you have chosen the coin, you want to sell some USDT, like so you put the amount of USDT you want to sell. As you want to sell 20 USDT. So sell is sold in 20 USDT. So these are people who are ready to buy. So if you click on any of these persons, automatically you want to sell the USDT to the person. That's what it means automatically. So once you select any of these and the person make payment to you, automatically you have sold the USDT to the person. So if you have any question, any comments, feel free to comment at the comment section below. Let me hear your view about Remitano and its interface compared to other exchanges. Let me know so that we know we can also update ourselves more. So this is basically, can you see? So this is how, if you want to, remember I place order of what? Of buying. So if I click buy now, automatically it will ask me to buy with that Naira, which must have been credited to the account. So that is basically how to do P2P on Binance. You have to fund the account with Naira first, which I've shown us how to do it. So thanks for watching. I'll do more videos on Remitano. Remember to subscribe and share. And thank you for watching once more. Let's meet in the success